Okay, that's down at Leonora again. We pan around and here we are right at Hoover House. We've passed our car that we've been driving. Hoover House, 1898. Mine manager's house in Gwalia. Commissioned by Hoover. Up the stairs. Nice lush grassy area. Looking out over the pit in the distance. And this is very nice veranda. Doing a modern barbecue. We come inside. With pictures and things. This is the esteemed Mary's bedroom. Front room in the house with en-suites. This is the main dining room where we already have a tourist checking it out, complete with atmospheric music. What have you discovered so far, Mr. Lister?
No record of Lister's.
Mary thinks she's got a photo of Catholic church opening, circa 1901, that might be interesting. And there's the man himself. That's the photo I uploaded to Wiki. This photo was probably taken in Perth on his way to China in 1898. He returned in 1902 as a partner of Buick Mooring and the manager. Mary, where's that photo that you discovered? Is it in that back room?
Yes, it's in the drawer.
In the drawer, excellent. Okay, I'll go there. We come around to the back kitchen area where we... Oh, that's probably a staff kitchen now. This is where we had brekkie. There's a balcony. A very extensive balcony where we could have sat last night, except, well, we were in the city, in Leonora itself. Little hummock hill over there. And that again is Leonora. And that again is Gwalia. So that's the main passageway, and this is where Peter spent the night. Hello.
Hiya.
Just doing our little tour of the place. This is my room, the read room. Number 8, suitably enough. That's where I spent the night. Okay, so that does Hoover House. Looks like my bed's been made up already, they're quick smart. No rest for the wicked at this hour of 9:50 WA time.